Friends, welcome. I'm happy to see all of you. Today's topic of this masterclass, it is breakout trading strategy. I'll share with you at least 4 examples how you can take breakout during bull market, continue the trend when you can take trades before breakout. It is really powerful strategy that works uh, every time because market really simple. It's accumulate and after that breaks. And I saw that strategy in 2018, 2022. And there are some updates, of course, that sometimes happens, but in generally, it will work forever until market exists. And today's topic, my proven approach to trade breakouts and what you also can do to take beautiful breakout trades. At this moment, share with me in the comments that you hear me well and you see me well. Write plus into the chat, please, that you hear me well, see me well. Okay. Okay. Here won't be comments because at this moment we only started and I don't see you. All good. Awesome. All good. I see only one update. All okay. Remember that I will read your comments from my cell phone. Maybe there would be some lagging. That's why it's okay. Okay, let's go about breakout strategy and what's major idea of breakout strategy. This idea, it's really super simple. I will show to you several examples, and after that, we will cover really important topics. About breakout, I think you saw when you analyze markets, you can analyze Bitcoin, different markets, and often you can see that price creates some range, and after that breaks. And example like here, create a range, and after that breaks. And today's topic will be about how you can identify exactly this moment when you can take a trade and price will go and break it. This masterclass is about it. If you understand topic, write from 1 to 10, how clear topic of this masterclass. From 1 to 10, I have some questions about this platform. I have some questions about this platform. You can ask questions. What would be exactly masterclass structure? For a start, I will cover with you how breakout works, what exactly make breakout better, stronger. After that, I will show to you my real trades that we took with my team and what exactly you can do to take such also trades. And at the end, there would be question and answer session about trading in general. That's why 10, good. That's why, friends, let's go. Let's go let's go and come back to our presentation. About breakout strategy, remember that this strategy is super beautiful, and from other side, it's a simple breakout. It is when price breaks from some range, some trend line, some support resistance. With my team, we have this illustration of what kind of breakouts we are looking in most cases. First one, it is a cascade breakout. It is only a structure that we trade. And within few minutes, I will explain to you all of this stuff, everything what this means. Also, quite often when breakout already happened, we can look for entry for pullback. And sometimes market maker can be super aggressive and we look entry for continue. Let's dive deeply into each of these topics and let's dive what exactly makes breakout stronger. The first really important stuff that make breakout stronger, it is example. If you're looking for breakup, you have fake outs and stop loss hands at bottom. Why is this stuff important? Share your thoughts in the comments. Francis, hello. Irina, hello. Also, friends, we have a tradition with our team. when we do live masterclass, we share with people from what place on this beautiful planet you are watching us. That's why share, please, also where you are at this moment and where you are watching us. Okay. Let's go back to this. How to determine the direction of the breakout. The first stuff that you use to understand direction of breakout, it is really simple. It is when you have, as I told you, stop loss hands at bottom. Why is this stuff super important when you take breakup? Because market maker, they take stop losses of long buyers. And what happens when people that build long positions, what happens to their trades, for example, here? What happened to their positions? Happened one really super simple stuff. People that were in a long, they forced to sell. And for market maker, it is the best place to accumulate some liquidity. Let's show to you a few examples before really beautiful breakouts on BTC. Have a look this one. Example for you, this breakout that happens, for example, here. Have a look this breakup. Have a look how big stop loss hunt were here. It is a volume indicator on BTC. Do you agree with me that a lot of people that took long on BTC, for example, here, they sold their BTC here with stop loss? Write plus into a chat if you agree that a lot of people that took long here, they close their trades with stop losses during this tail. A lot of them. I don't say that it is exactly every person, but you should understand the logic of a market. When you understand logic of a market, it's super easy to take trades. Just write plus if you agree with me. And remember, when people with long positions, when they force to close their long, they sell. They sell into a bottom. And that's exactly where market maker can build their position. And often breakouts after beautiful stop loss hunt, like it was here, happens really amazing. Beautiful breakup. Another example here, beautiful, powerful stop loss hunt. What happened here? Beautiful breakup. There must be, we call it with our team, cleared liquidity. When liquidity is cleared and taken, for market maker, it's way easy to make a breakout. Yes, liquidation. Good. Let's go to next important topic. It is increasing volume. It would be a third one. Let's cover this one. The next one for breakout, as on this example on SUI, we have a lot of levels where significant liquidation happens and liquidity were taken. And also, it's so important to have a lot of levels above. We call it cascade levels. Why? Share with me in the comments why you think it's also super important for breakout strategy. Share with me once more in the comments at this moment your thoughts. While you think, just a few seconds and I'll reply. I just want you to think. And major reasons why this cascade levels is super important is really simple. Imagine a lot of people that build short position. Imagine you took short here. Where would you set your stop loss? Of course, here. If you build short position, for example, here, where would be your stop loss? Here. A lot of people in the middle of this range, they build their short positions. They build their short positions. And what happens to their positions when price start breaking key levels? What happens to their positions? Yes, cloudy sky, short cloudy sky. Francisco Flomo, Dubai, France. Only 2 people wrote where you watching us, guys. I hope there would be more people. Support us. Share where you at this moment watching us. That's really matter. When people build short positions, to get out from their short positions, they must buy back. I hope all of you understand this simple stuff. When you take long, once more, let me show to you this on screen without some stuff. When you open long position, to cover your long, you sell. When you build short position, to cover your short, you buy back. At this moment, is it clear for you about this basic part of liquidity? Tell me, please. Because if you share with me at this moment, push plus in the comments if you understand this foundational part of how liquidity works. When you take long, to cover your long, you sell. It's easy. The same work with short sells because we are talking about futures market. You to cover your position, you buy back. Yes, I see a lot of. Yes, I understand clearly. Good. And the same here on this SUI example for you. A lot of levels where people with short positions to cover their shorts, they forced to buy back. And that's a liquidity that helps market maker in a depth of market push price higher. In a how you would see this stuff in a future, in a depth of market, you would see when price reach some important level. In a DOM, you would see a lot of orders that move price higher or lower. Yes, I understand clearly. Good. The next important start for breakout. Let me show. Let me finish with all of these reasons for breakout, and after that, I will show to you real use cases. Be with me. It takes few minutes. Another this stuff. It is exactly here. For breakout, also it is important to see increase in a volume because that shows to you that market maker is here and market maker manipulate the price and move it into their direction. That's why what we have in general, there are three top things that you need to have to take a breakout trade. First one, there must be taken liquidity. If you look for short, there must be taken liquidity from up. From highs, taking liquidity from highs. Second, there must be a lot of levels where traders potentially hide their stop losses, and that's a liquidity, a target where market maker can go. And third, you need to see exactly when market maker start pushing price, and you can follow them. There must be 1, 2, 3. Remember that there is no one magical indicator on this planet. You use this stuff together as a puzzle. And this puzzle is really simple. When you follow all of this, you can take just brilliant trades. And we analyze today my statistic of this month. Brilliant trades when you have all of this stuff together. Let's go to. So one side, the stop loss have been taken, and the other side, stop loss have not been taken yet. Yes. Okay. Cascade levels. Let's cover at this moment, my friends, with you how exactly you can take breakouts and real examples. First one, it is a breakout when you have some level plus cascades. How exactly we can trade, and let's cover a real example. It is a BTC breakdown that I took a few days ago, and let's cover all of these topics, all of these points together. First, liquidity taken from other side. It was 48 price, 48, 49 price. Have a look where biggest volume traded here. At top, do you agree at this moment, right? Plus, do you agree that biggest volume were at top? Right? Plus. Second, have a look. Cascade levels. First cascade level, second cascade, third, fourth. Do you agree with me that quite a lot of people that build long positions, especially during ETF approval, they got trapped? What happened to people that built long position here during ETF approval or here? What happened to them when price started being here? They trapped. The same happens with you. You open your cell phone, you open your position, and you see, price go against me. And what options do you have? You have really simple options. First one, you can add volume to average your price. Second option, you can hope that price would reverse one day, and you just keep it until it reverses. And third, what's the third? What's third option? What is your third option when you have long position here? What would be your third option? Because why I share with you and ask you exactly about yourself? Because you need to understand that market, it is people around the world that trade together. And you need to understand their logic. When you understand logic, for you, it's way easier to take trades. And third option, to get out by stop loss. And when long buyers are trapped here, trapped here, trapped here, trapped here, where most of them hide their stop losses. Of course, in this area, you have a lot of untaken levels where people hide their stop losses. You had a lot of volume at high. And what also here was important, let me show to you. What also here was super important, it is aggressive seller. And aggressive seller you can find in a depth of market. Let me show to you. It is exactly depth of market. Here, when price started breaking, here it was really significant sell orders that someone aggressively started price down. Let me show to you the stuff here in in Tiger Trade. Let me show to you the stuff exactly here when we took that breakdown trade. Few seconds. I took the trade exactly here. It was exactly here. It was exactly my short trade here. Because what I show to you, it is my real trades. I don't show to you stuff that I didn't trade personally. And have a look. Have a look. What we see here. Do you know that it is delta and open interest? How many of you know what's delta and open interest? What, right? Plus, if you know what it is, and minus if you don't know. And here we have good structure together. And here, have a look. Open interest started to build exactly before breakout happens. You can see here key level, and open interest started adding way before breakout. It started adding exactly here. Open interest started adding with negative delta. What this stuff means? What this stuff means? I need to know how many of you understand, how many of you see these indicators first time in your life. Write in the comments if you see these indicators first time in your life. Write one if you see these indicators first time in your life. This indicators shows to you where market maker start moving the price, because have a look, volume you can see increase a lot, delta down, and open interest up. It means market maker start opening new trades and push price down. That's example for you what I call a puzzle. When you have all pieces together, you have good structure. Let's go back here on TradingView to BTC. It was exactly here, this trade. What was here good for breakout? Let's cover again. You had significant volume exactly into a top. You have here ETF approval, like news where a lot of buyers get trapped. After that, you have this a lot of untaken levels where people hide their stop losses. And here, exactly in a moment of breakout, you have aggressive seller. That's example for you when you have puzzle together. When you have puzzle together, Ramila, that big money sells. Yes, that big money sells. That's example for you when you have all together pieces, and it works really powerful. And by the way, you can find this data about open interest in Tiger Trade platform. Below this video, in a link, you'll find download link to this platform in description. You can get it. Also, from me personally, you will get free PDF book about my trading strategies that I use. Link also will be in description. I highly recommend you to download, and you won't miss this information. And after that, you'll learn how to use it by yourself. Once more, as I told you, that's example for you when you have puzzles together. Because most of beginners, what mistakes they do? They try to find some magical indicator. Only one indicator that works for me, but it doesn't exist. What works really well and seriously when you have puzzles, when you have good points that support each other. Cloud sky, it means that short sellers aggressively adding into buy limits and aggressively break it. Often, it is the best signal that we have aggressive seller when we have delta plus open interest. Okay, tell me at this moment, was this example beautiful for you? From 1 to 10, how this example was understandable? And while you reply to me, I would show to you another example that also beautiful. And I hope this example also would add you additional understanding and puzzles. First, it was short on Solana. It was short on Solana actually a few days ago. As you can see, it is 18th of January, few days ago. We took beautiful short here. What was the reason why we took short here? First reason, it is trend is down. You can see clearly on Solana the trend was down. Secondly, what was the additional reason behind that? Here, have a look. On Solana, a lot of volume started to build up exactly at high, and price slowly, as you can see, a lot of untaken levels. You have puzzle, you have clear trend, you have a lot of liquidity taken, you have a lot of levels where people hide their stop losses and market maker can take it. And after that, price started slowly squeeze up. Sadly, um, mm, I didn't save that screenshot with audiobook. Maybe I will find to you that screenshot from audiobook that I did few when we took that Solana breakdown. I made a mistake. I didn't add it into this presentation. It was exactly here. Example for you. That's the reason, by the way, why you should use a depth of market. How many of you understand what this stuff means? Write plus if you understand what this stuff means. This one. Write plus if you understand, and minus if you don't understand. Zorba, the Buddha. I'm happy. Is limit short? Yes. That's example for you when aggressive seller. Once more, we have whole entire puzzle. We have a lot of levels. A few seconds. Where is the presentation? Oh, it's here. Remember once more, here we have again a puzzle. We have a lot of taken liquidity at high. Taken liquidity. Second, we have a lot of levels where people hide their stop losses. And third, we have aggressive market maker that shows to us, no, I wouldn't let you go up. Honestly, such wall on Solana, you wouldn't see such wall like every day. And here I made only 6% from this trade. As you can see, this one. And price after that in the end dropped 22%. That's once more. That's once more. That's why, once more, when you have puzzle together, it is really works well. And that's the reason why, by the way, why I also recommend you to look at the depth of market, what's going on. And you need to, there's some secrets with depth of market because sometimes this volume can be tricky. But still, when you understand that this volume is real, that really helps you a lot in your trade. Okay, let me read some of your questions, guys. I would reply to your questions only regarding this example. At this moment, you can ask your questions regarding this Solana example, and let's reply to you. Share your questions in the comments. Bro, I don't like you because you not share why you start top down from weekly from for new question. I don't understand you. Write your questions directly and understandable. If you cannot write normal questions, I won't reply to you. Zobra, I'm not clear on how we can see and what sides stop losses have been taken and on what sides they have not taken. Good. That's Zorba the Buddha. That's good question. That's why what you do, the best stuff that I use for myself, it is when price take highs. For example, like this example, this range, where people that build short position in this range, where do they hide their stop losses? Just what's your thoughts? Where most of people that take short trades hide their stop losses in this range? I think it's obvious. It is above this high. Some people exactly at level, some people higher, but it is a range. And when you see also significant volume at high, it confirms you that liquidity was there and that liquidity is taken. As yes, just above, and have a look when again here you have some local range, and again price take that range and you see significant volume spike, where most of the people that in short hide their stop losses here. And the same for this entire range. Tell me where people that build short positions, where most of them hide their stop losses here. And when price takes stop losses of short sellers, they force to buy back exactly into a top. And that's exactly where market maker can take their liquidity to build opposite position. That's why quite often above below key levels, and you can see. And imagine a situation. You see something like this. Price rise and take highs several times, but lows wasn't taken. Do you agree with me that people that were in a short, for example, their stop losses in most cases taken? People that were again in short, their stop losses were taken. But people that were in a long positions, they still can be in a market. And some of them maybe book part of profit, but some of them have break evens, stop losses, and liquidations. And that's exactly where you start looking for breakout when price took opposite liquidity several times, and you understand that here a lot of people that could be taken. That's exactly when you take breakout. Top-down analysis from weekly time frame. Why you not start from new coin analyzing? What do you mean for new coin analyzing? Guys, can you ban this guide? Guys, please ban this DSGH, because if person doesn't know how to ask questions, man, if you don't know how to ask normal questions, maybe trading is not for you. Natalie, this stream is in English. That's it. Cloud Sky, sometimes market trap the smart trader. Of course, sometimes market would trap you. That's why you don't like you have risk to reward ratio. Example for you is the Solana trade. My stop loss here were 1%. And even if price would go against me, I would lose 1%. I made 6%. And that's why you have risk to reward ratio. You don't need to have to be right 100% on a time. I didn't see traders with 100% win rate. Cloud Sky, tell me, do you know about win rate, risk reward? If you understand how win rate and risk reward works, there would be no problems for you. Okay, and let's go to additional really powerful example for you. And this example, it is once more a really powerful example when you will have all puzzles together. First one. Have a look. This trade was taken by my team, 7% of profit. Imagine you risk 100 USD. Their stop loss here were 0.5%. 0.5% in this trade. What was a secret here? Have a look. Coin pumped a lot. And after that, have a look how many times they took stop losses of short sellers. Have a look how many times. And have a look how many levels wasn't taken. Guess what happened here, for example, guess what happened here with people that built short positions. Tell me your thoughts. What happened here with people that built short positions? What happened here? Ivana, which time frame to start top down? You start from daily time frame and after that go down. Most of the people that build short positions here, they force to close their shorts and buy back exactly into a top. But people that built long positions in the middle of this range and didn't close it, where most of them hide their stop losses. Also, people that thought it would be break up and trapped with their long position, where most of these people hide their stop losses. Tell me, because if you understand how liquidity works, you understand the market. Market is really super simple. It goes from liquidity to liquidity. And when you understand it, you know where to take trades. And long buyers, of course, most of them hide their stop losses here, stop losses, here, stop losses. It is some price range. Some hide below this level, some below this, some below this, some below this. Remember that on few days ago, I read data that nearly 500 million people have some crypto. Even if 20% of them trade, it is 100 million people around the world. It is millions of people that trade different coins, and it is different people, and many of them have stop losses in different places. And when price and market maker, what market maker did here? Market maker start pressing down, plus a lot of buyers forced to close their long position. When buyers close their long position, what happens? They sell. And when they sell, what happens with order book? Did you see at least once in order book when a really significant sell liquidation happens? Did you see it when significant sell liquidation happens? Order book just goes down, just pooh, because all of that stop losses, they become market orders, and when they become market orders, they just sell, and hit buy limits. And because of that, markets go even lower. That's endless process. That's why, again, when you take breakout, here again you have puzzle. You have cleared liquidity, you have stop losses, and here also the aggressive seller. I just remember because we analyze this stuff, and also here market maker aggressively started selling this coin. Again, when you have puzzles together, you have beautiful trades. When you just look for, I want to take a trade, breakout. Why? There must be reasons. Okay. Which exchange? At this moment, it is a time to ask questions regarding this, what we covered. Zubra, do you wait for order book to go down to enter? Zubra, I wait to see. It depends on the situation, because sometimes trades that we analyze, remember trades about BTC that I shared with you in the community, we had puzzle, plus market maker inside in a range started building open interest. In that case, I can take a trade before breakout. Remember, before we took breakout on BTC long, and open interest started builds up. During the time, I can take trade before, because when I see a puzzle plus aggressive market maker, I can take a trade before. But in a case if I don't see that market maker really started a move, I could wait while they go below a level, and only after that enter the trade. Which exchange you use to watch order flow? I use two exchanges. I use Binance and Bybit because Binance it is approximately 60% of all crypto market, spot market. You need to analyze exchanges where is biggest data. Here, even on this website, you can find coin market cap. It is really big and popular website. And about exchanges, here you can see volume, and you can see here the biggest volume on the spot market, 15 billions on Binance, and it is in many times more than any other exchange after it. That's why for spot market, definitely it's good to use Binance. I think soon Coinbase will also have bigger impact because of ETF approval. And for derivatives, I use two exchanges because I use two exchanges. It is Binance and Bybit because of their open interest. Because they have altogether nearly 70% of all open interest in the market. Okay. Guys, can you start this DH feed? Can you ban that guy because they're annoying? Can you ban by IP some people? I've watched in Dome big limit long coming Is market maker aggressive? Not clear. Cloud Sky Volodymyr. How to understand when the big breakout will happen? Remember that price for big movement, in what cases big movement can happen? You have DOM and order book. Big movement can happen first case when you have super aggressive buyer or seller that moves price really a lot. Second way, when you big move can happen when there are a lot of stop losses. For example, price were in some significant range and a lot of people took long positions and they hide their stop losses and their position so big that when price activated, there would be a significant drop. This one, it is for short, and for long, quite often after significant range for several months. And when you see breakout, in that case, there could be a big moment. Example for you, even here, this example. Even this example on SATS, this coin dropped 15% by only 1 hour candle. Why it dropped? Because a lot of buyers here get trapped. And because of their stop losses, they pressed order book really down. There must be liquidity. As bigger liquidity, bigger movement. If you don't understand what's liquidity, that's a time for you to download this Tiger platform and also for you to download our PDF in description to this video and learn how market works, because you need to know how market works to predict such moments. Okay. Forex breakout guide. Okay. Okay, I see there is no additional questions. Also, there one additional type how you can take breakouts that I would like to share with you. And it is actually entry that you take before breakout. I shared with you previous examples when we take a trade exactly in a moment of breakout. But sometimes market can give you a blessing and can give you really beautiful entry. And sometimes when you understand that, for example, here, like with big chance there would be breakdown and you sure in that, you can take trades during last stop loss hunts, because sometimes you can see this structure. Example, like sometimes market, what they do, they liquidate, after that they build range, and sometimes before they do breakout they do final stop loss hunt, and there an option for you to take trade exactly during the stop loss hunt. But this stuff you can do only in a cases when you really confident that there would be breakup or breakdown. Like you really confident in the direction. Like chances like 90%. Uh, Trading, it is a business of probabilities. There you won't find 100% chance, but there must be really huge chance. Mm, Zorba, what can help you understand the direction of breakout? Logic. I'm really serious. Sometimes you can help. It can help you with logic. Example for you, link. What I shared with you, it was exactly. Let me show to you. It was exactly this situation. Have a look. It was exactly here, link, price 810, and here I took first short. Let me zoom in. It was exactly here, first short. After that, I added volume and started closing by pots. What was a reason why I thought with really big chance here, this one, it was a stop loss hunt before a drop? What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts? First reason, it is this one. Price from this bottom rose 77%. Tell me, do you think market maker build long position after 77% rise? Tell me, do whales build long position after 77% rise? Do you think they do it or not? Just yes, no. It is the first reason. When price moved a lot, for market maker, it's way better if they took long position at bottom to close here, to start closing position. Imagine if market maker build long position here, for them it would be perfect place to get out. That's why it is a logic. If price of some coin drop 40%, in rare cases that would be continue. Like Bitcoin, you can see, you can open Bitcoin cycles, and why for all of you, I recommend you to learn about BTC volatility. What I mean by Bitcoin volatility. When you understand how in average BTC move without a pullback, you understand in what cases there could be stop or a range. Like I saw only few moments when BTC rose more than 30% without big and long range. Like here, 34%, and after that, BTC create a range for 2 months. After that, how much additionally? Additional 22%, again, significant range. There are a volatility of each instrument, and when you understand that volatility, you understand in what areas probability really in your favor. And additional reasons, let's come back to link, additional reasons. There are one magical indicator on the planet that you can use, really super simple. And that magical indicator, who is this? Just guess what this indicator means. This indicator, friends, it is open interest. It shows to you amount of contracts open on exchange. And here altogether, someone built how much? From 53 to 162 million dollars on Binance only. And have a look where most of this position started entering exactly into a top on this candle. You can see that most of volume started entering exactly here after massive rise. Often it would be market reversal because market maker also can build a short position. And when you understand that this is for short, every other stop loss hunts would be the best place to enter. Here again, a puzzle, significant rise, plus biggest volume trapped exactly at high. Even here, have a look, they did reversal here after this significant open interest rise after significant rise. Also, big liquidation. Often open interest can show to you points of reversal, but you need to understand it because sometimes when you look at in the middle of a range and you can see such changes, it must be in proper area. And that's my secret that I use to understand a direction. This stream is not about open interest, this stream about breakout. That's why when you understand clearly that here end of a cycle, you can use any higher high as a potential trap and just take trade. And here I made 7%. In the end, price here dropped, not 7%. How much it dropped? A few seconds. They dropped by, oh my God, 32%. Beautiful. From 1 to 10, tell me, was it beautiful or not? From 1 to 10, share with me, was this beautiful or not? Okay, my friends, at this moment, I share with you reasons behind breakout. Once more, let me summarize to you what reasons you should use for breakout. First, there must be taken liquidity. If you look for short, there must be taken liquidity at high, and after that you look for short. If you look for long, there must be liquidity taken at low, and after that, uh, there must be a lot of levels where potentially could be stop losses. It is a second one, levels with potential stop losses. And third one, it is awesome when you use order book, depth of market, and you see aggressive market maker. Market maker can move up and down. For them, it doesn't matter. That's why when you have all of this stuff together, you have beautiful pattern. And after that, what you can do, just take a list of paper and write a note before you take breakout. Do you see 1, 2, 3? Do you have 1, 2, 3? If you don't have 1, 2, 3, do not surprise that sometimes your trade won't go into your favor. Okay, let's do your questions, Zabra. Could be could it be a breakout happen right now on link, high OE, high delta, and high volume? Yes, yes, it can happen. I analyze the delta and that open interest on link for from morning, and yes, that's yes. Volume builds up, open interest adding for several days, and yes, that's aggressive buyer. But it's really sad. What a reason why I didn't trade it, because there is no cascade levels that I would be really happy to trade. Yuri, what's Bitcoin next move? This stream is not about Bitcoin. This stream is about breakout. Ask questions about breakout. Which time frame breakout works? It's not about time frames. It's about market structure. We always used top-down approach. What's matter about time frames? I don't understand why you always ask about time frames. It doesn't matter time frame. You start on daily, look for key area. You start on 4 hours, you mark important areas. After that, you go for 1 hour, and after that, you go to 15 minutes and see exactly local movements. That's it. But you go out from structure. I apply 5 or more limits on my targets, but I don't know what average price level after hit my limits. You give me an idea to stop loss better. I have one stop loss. I have one solid stop loss, and that's why uh, yeah. My strategy a little bit different. I have only one stop loss. Friends, at this moment, I ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, to download Tiger platform, where you can see all data in a DOM, and you can see exactly when aggressive buyer and aggressive seller appear. Also, in the description to this video, you'll find free PDF book about my trading strategy. Download it because this topic you need to dive in and learn more about it. Zabra, the cascade levels should be recent, like from the last week, or sometimes the cascade came from levels reached a long time ago. That's really good question. It depends because it's important that there must be liquidity in that levels. If you are really confident that there are liquidity in those levels, you can take those trades. Recent really better because it's a bigger possibility that there are liquidity. On which time frame? Okay, I won't reply to this. Okay. Okay, my friends, I see there is no additional questions. I was happy to see you here. Remember to write at this moment a feedback about this masterclass. What you can do the best is to take at least several trades on small volume and see how it played out for you. That would be your homework. Take at least 10 trades for breakouts, and after that, we can do a digital stream with Tiger and analyze it. Share with me also in the comments if you would like to see additional streams, maybe continue about this topic, maybe another strategy. I would be really happy to see your thoughts and feedbacks. Okay, have a good time. Have a good time. Have a good time, my friends. Have a good time, my friends. I was happy to see you here.